Hi, my name is Nathan Olivier Donta, and in this video, I'm going to explain about the polar and rectangular representation of a sine wave and why this is useful in the AC circuit analysis. So, first of all, we have the rectangular form. So, the rectangular form expresses a phasor using its real and imaginary components. So, as you can see, we have the formula which is V equals x plus jy. So for the example, we can see that if a sine wave has an amplitude of 10 volts and a phase angle of 30 degrees, then we can write it as 8.66 plus j 5 volts. So 8.66 here is in phase components, and j5 is basically the quadrature components. So next up we have the polar form. So the polar form expresses the same sine wave using the magnitude and the phase. So as you can see, for example, we have V equals 10 angle 30 degrees. So the polar form also convert between rectangular and the polar. So between the rectangular and the polar is straightforward using the magnitude and the angle formulas. So next is I'm gonna explain about the why the both form matters. So uh, this both form, rectangular form and the polar form, are constantly used in the AC analysis. The difference is the rectangular form is easier for adding and subtracting phasors, while the polar form is more uh, useful for multiplication and division. So many engineers switch between these two depending on the operation. So that's all for my explanation about the rectangular and the polar forms. Thank you.